This is a demonstration of how to use the AI Max Share functionality to duplicate a part and a feature to multiple locations in a single operation. We'll start up the AI Max Share function. Since we're using the ribbon in this case, we can select the method directly from the ribbon. We'll select the 2 points method. If you're using version 17 of Creo Elements Direct Modeling or earlier, or if you happen to pick the wrong method, you can always change the method directly from this pull down once AI Max Share is running. The first thing that it's asking us for is a source object, so we'll select this socket head cap screw, which immediately hides, allowing us to select either a point or a feature. In this case, because the duplicate feature option is turned on, we can select a feature. We'll select this threaded hole down below. Now you'll notice that when we're duplicating a feature, we have an option for destination part. That defaults to the same part that the feature was in. If our destination point is touching a different part, that will now become the destination part. You can always manually override this. So now it's asking us for a source point. We'll catch the center of this top edge using Control-Shift. And now all we have to do is do Control-Shift on this next hole, and we can just select all of these. We could go all the way down this part if we wanted to. These messages over here just show us that we're copying a machining advisor threaded hole, and that after we've copied it, it has now been validated, so everything is good. So that's actually a useful message for us. Clear that, and I will actually undo all of these and show a different option for how to do this. We'll start up AI Max Share again. This time, instead of using the 2 points method, we'll use 2 points in a direction. As before, we'll select this socket head cap screw and the feature below. And now, for our source point, we'll select the same point. And instead of selecting a destination point, we'll actually just choose a projection direction. We'll go parallel to the edge of this rail. And our distance we'll put in as 20 millimeters. Now, if we just said next, we could continue to increase that, but we have this option here for count, so I can say I want 7 of those. And we get some little feedback elements that show us where those other center points will be. I can just say next. It processes, and we now have 7 new socket head cap screws, 7 new features that have been validated. If I cancel out of this, and now I can turn off those screws. We can see those 7 threaded holes there in the bottom. Turn those back on. And everything is just the way we expect it to be. With AI Max Share and the 2 points in direction method, it's that easy.